Am I gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we flick Victoriana nose like a cat, she sneezes.
Nuh-uh. I can't sneeze again. I can't sneeze.
You got a mustache.
Nuh-uh.
Do it again!
No!
Go flick Victoriana nose.
Don't touch Victoria. There. Yay! 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 Hey! My cousin's dog. Ah, give it. No! He's like a kitty. Yeah.
Wait.
Come on, my name. Look at it.
When you flick her nose.
What nose? Yay.
Okay, see the video that you're watching right now? Yeah, I'm making that.
Now I need to flick her nose. I don't have any more hands. Do you have an itch on your nose or something?
I could tell you about it. Oh, nope. Ah. Where is this thing going? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
Do it again!
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 Sneezing is normal, okay? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I can't sneeze again.